In this video, we'll explain what a safety alert is and how to use it step by step to prevent accidents and protect people at work. A safety alert is an official notification that describes an unsafe incident. It is used to inform affected, or potentially affected, persons and should be posted in locations where the risk may occur or has already occurred. The goal is to raise awareness, prevent recurrence, and reduce risk. Start with the header, which records key incident details. Include reference number, location where the incident occurred, date and time of the incident, responsible person, contact details. This information ensures traceability and allows quick follow-up. Next, clearly describe the problem. Write a specific and factual description of what went wrong. Pictures or graphics are strongly recommended to support understanding. Example: oil leak near tank number 2. Now, list the preventive actions taken or required to avoid repetition. Share clear instructions that help others act safely. Example: the affected area was cleaned immediately. The area was marked and protected. This shows how the risk was controlled. The lessons learned section explains why this incident matters and what has been learned so far. It helps others recognize similar risks. Example: the tank was closed incorrectly. The tank was not positioned evenly. Learning from incidents is key to prevention. Finally, share the safety alert. Inform affected or potentially affected persons. Explain how to proceed. Post the alert at locations where the risk may occur. Visibility ensures the message reaches the right people. Why use safety alerts? Raises awareness of real risks, prevents repeat incidents, improves communication, supports a proactive safety culture, protects people, equipment, and operations. One alert can prevent many accidents. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and stay tuned for more quality and safety management insights.